Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you for stopping by. Macro thoughts, sterling briefly back above 130, but now sticking above 130 at 13011. The UK cabinet apparently has backed this Brexit deal, but the issue is going to be in Parliament, and we're going to see that unfold today. Jamie at Reuters expect more sterling volatility in the short term amid a barrage of Brexit headlines. Implied overnight sterling dollar vol hits 23%, highest since June 2017 general election, on track for the biggest weekly rise in at least 5 years. Pretty dramatic. And then you will see what I'm talking about. We're now back above 130, but we dipped below 129 at one point yesterday when the BBC's Lorak tweeted on a possible no confidence vote in May, and market took that, sterling took that very badly, but then recovered again. I like this tweet from Alex Frangos of the Wall Street Journal. Connect the dots. German GDP shrank last quarter. Japanese GDP shrank last quarter. China auto sales are tanking. Oil prices cratering. Look at this map. China in Africa and the world. The blue circles on map pinpoint the location of thousands of Chinese-funded projects. That's from Soren Patterson by Mr. Obo. The largest circles represent projects in the multi-billion-dollar range. One of the traders I admire the most is Stanley F. Druckenmiller, and this is a great interview. Kiril Sokoloff interviews. It's quite long, 90 minutes. It's well worth listening to. My favorite quotation of his is, as a macro investor, my job for 30 years was to anticipate changes in the economic trends that were not expected by others and therefore not yet reflected in securities prices. George Soros and Stanley Druckenmiller remain legends in the FX world for taking more than $1 billion off the Bank of England in 1992.